Hello. Welcome to Demo for Smart Business. Viewing Application Engine and Specimen GUI to create new in demo. Following features incorporated with Smart Designer. Project Generator, Project Prototype Generator, Form Builder, Format Builder, Menu Builder, UI Tester, Security Builder, Report Builder, Document Generator, Database Administrator, Dashboard Builder, Verifying old databases, copy UI structures into new one. In Quick button contains functions like New, Open, Save and Delete. Let us go for Form Builder to build new graphical user interface. In Form Builder, form code is auto-generated and other can typed and selected by user like form title, form type, module name, menu category, auto-generation ID, open same structure, data transfer activity. Select tables like header and detail for data storing. In listed fields waiting for user selection, and user can select all or required as they wish. They drag the fields from left list to right. Selected fields listed in the bottom grid to assign control type for each entities. Control type contains text box, combo box, date item picker, checkbox, ratio buttons, etc. Basic structure of the UI ready now, and you can see in the preview pane in the Form Builder. Preview pane shows the future output appearance, and you can use slide bar to resize to watch preview pane. Preview of new generated user interface in Smart Engine, and it is raw without any business logics and events. You can compare Smart Designer preview pane result and Smart Engine preview for new generated user interface. In Application Engine, menu will be generated for newly generated user interface. To reformat or redesign user interface in powerful way, we move to Format Builder. We can add additional controls and containers in Format Builder. Then we can change size and color of font for all controls. Format Builder works like any other IDE for best design. Creative user can make it perfect GUI for end user. Resize and relocating controls for design normally finish within 5 to 10 minutes to expert user. For new it may take 30 minutes maximum. Shortcuts for alignment, spacing, sizing are available in menus. To place controls, just click and drag into required container. To bulk drag and resize selected required controls by clipping and to respected actions. If you have UI design having in your mind, it will be easy to design GUI very faster. Each and every control's properties will be displayed in property grid control right side in Smart Designer. You can change its attributes as you like in property grid. The design format will be stored in database, and when the application run it will retrieve all from database. Controls resizing and relocating very easy in bulk selection. For detail table or line item we use grid control in application. In grid control also contains edit box, combo box, checkbox, date time picker, and radio button within that. You can easily copy structure for another UI very easy by Smart Designer. In case any user required to change UI in controls or control attributes, Smart Designer makes it very easy without coding and testing. Now almost new format of UI design ready to use for end user. You can see and compare the new format in Application Engine. To change controls attributes, use the menu shortcuts for alignment and resize. Now we can see appearance of UI only here. The business logics based on user required will be demonstrated in our next video. We are end of the graphical user interface designing part. We can check in application engine. Now you can watch raw output version with formatted version. And now new version can be used for end user. Now we can move to security builder and it helps to set privilege to specific user to get option to new creation, open the same, edit stored content, delete content and visible content. All the users will be listed in left side. We can set privilege using checkbox doing check and uncheck. And middle container having master tables entities. Now we move to report builder. Database schema will be listed in left pane and we know more about report builder in separate tutorial. Now we move to database administrator. There will be database schema will be displayed in left panel and we know more about database administrator in separate tutorial. Now we move to dashboard builder. Database schema will be listed in left side panel and you can select any tables or views to build effective dashboard. Here you can create or modify your dashboard in Smart Designer and you can see it will reflect in your application. You can select single table or view or multiple to create dashboard. After select table or view, click button modify to modify your existing dashboard and click run designer to create new one. Now you are watching empty dashboard ready to get your action. In application you can open empty dashboard. To create table list select table component and place it in container required place and resize it. Select entity to show the list as you want. After placing entity you can see the live list for the same. You can select the value entity to get proper information from the table. Now you can see the modified dashboard in your application as replica. You can change title, font, and color for the component. Preview in application for end user. To see location-wise information you put map component in your dashboard and map it to your database. With Dashboard Builder it is very easy to do the user fast manner. You can relocate and resize the map component. And it works as filter control. Thank you for watching our demo. And this demo contains only UI Designer and Dashboard Designer. Our other tutorials will explain user interfaces business logics as per the requirement. Most of the business logics algorithms will be incorporated in application engine, and it will perform when we call business logics which stored in database where we called through form designer. And we'll meet in our next session. Bye bye.